Hey there, welcome to today's quick guide on how to reset a forgotten password on Windows 10 or 11 without losing any of your precious data. Let's dive right in. Method number 1, Password Reset Disk. First up, the Password Reset Disk method. If you've prepared a password reset disk beforehand, this is your golden ticket. Simply insert the disk or USB drive, follow the prompts, and voila! You'll be back into your system in no time. Don't worry if you haven't made one. There are more methods coming up. Method number 2, Microsoft Account Online Reset. Next, the Microsoft Account Online Reset. If your Windows login is linked to a Microsoft account, head over to the Microsoft Account Recovery page from any device. Follow the steps to verify your identity, reset your password, and then use the new password to log into your Windows machine. It's that easy. Method number 3, Utilizing Safe Mode. Now, on to Method 3, Safe Mode. Restart your computer and enter Safe Mode. From there, access the command prompt and create a new admin account or change the password of an existing one. Once done, reboot, log in with the new credentials, and boom, you're back in control. And there you have it, 3 effective methods to reset a forgotten Windows password. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.